Great and amazing leaders. Today we want to look at this sine rule, the sine rule. This rule is used in solving mathematical problems that have to do with triangles. The rule states that given a triangle ABC with sides small letter a, small letter b, small letter c with included angle a, b, and c. The rule states that the side a over sine a is equal to the side b over sine b is equal to the side c over sine c. So when you're given a triangle that has the side a, b, and c, the side facing the capital B is your small b, the side facing capital A is your small a, the side facing capital C is your small c. So, and we have the included angle, capital A, or you can use theta. We have the included angle of B, capital B, you can use beta. We have the side angle of the capital C, you can use gamma, or you can say use C. So, but these are the included angles. They are called the included angles. A, B, and C are called the included angle. This side is called the small c, this side is called the small b, and this side is called the small c. So we can use this rule, A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C to find any of the unknown side. Meanwhile, we don't use the rule, the three given rules as they appear. You either use A, then you use the first two parts, or you use this other part to solve your problem. We don't use all the rules as it is given. We only use two of the given rules. You either use A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, or you use B over sine B is equal to C over sine C, or you use A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. We don't use all the rules as they appear. And we use these rules in finding the unknown side or the unknown angles. So if you're given two sides of a triangle with a particular angle, included angle, you can find the unknown side. If you're given three sides or two sides of a given triangle with an unknown angle, you can find the unknown angle using the formula known as the sine rule. If only you're able to carefully identify the actual side you're looking for or the unknown side you're looking for, then you can carefully substitute the values in the formula and you get your right answer. So let's see how we can manipulate on these formulas. Let's take the first one. A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. As we were asked to find the side small a. After you know what your B is, and you know what your angle of B is, and you know what your angle A is, all you need to do is to cross multiply. To every find A, you need to cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, you have the small a, which is the unknown, multiplied by sine B is equal to B multiplied by sine A. Here we can find our unknown by dividing both sides by sine B. If you divide both sides by sine B, this will cancel this, and you have your A. Let us take it here. You have your A alone standing is equal to B sine A all over sine B. So this is the formula to use if you're asked to look for the small side, which is side A. Okay, what if we're asked to look for B? Let's take back the formula. A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. We're asked to look for B. The same method is applied, cross multiply. If you cross multiply, A will multiply sine B and B will multiply sine A. Remember, the unknown side should always be at the right hand side. So we have B times sine A is equal to A sine B. So if you arrive at this point, to find B, you need to divide both sides by sine A, and this will cancel out this. You have your B is equal to A sine B over sine A. So this is the formula used should you're asked to find the B part of it. Now, what if we ask to find any of the angles given to us? Any of the angles given to us. Let's start with sine A. Let's restate that. Let's restate the formula. You have A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. You ask to find sine A. You're looking for angle A. So all you need to do, the same method apply, cross multiply. So we have B sine A is equal to A sine B. We're looking for sine A, so we'll be dividing both sides by B so that sine A can stand for us to get the angle A. So if you divide both sides by B will cancel this. You have sine A is equal to A sine B over B. Now to find our final angle, which is angle A, that will become the arc sine of A sine B over B. You need to solve or evaluate everything you have in the bracket before you find the arc sine of the answer you're going to get. You need to solve or evaluate everything you have in the bracket before you look for the arc sine of the answer you have. Then that will give you the angle A. If you're also asked to look for the angle B, the same method is used. So all you need to do is to cross multiply to help you get the right answer. So in our next other class, we'll be looking at the other rule known as the cosine rule. Then before we now go to the application of these respective rules in solving triangular problems. Thank you.